Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this informative video, we will guide you on how to obtain your account number and PIN, as well as how to transfer PIN. So knowing your account number and PIN is essential for managing your account effectively. So we will walk you through the step-by-step process, ensuring you have all the necessary information to access your account and make any required changes. So stay tuned and learn how to retrieve your account number and PIN effortlessly. So now let's begin how to get an account number. Simply we have to go into this using a login account in online. So you have to log in their website with your credential. After you have to go into their menu. In menu you have to select account second. So where you can find the account number in the top of this. So simply they are the link of this we will provide in a description box to simply going through this website. You have to get your account number of your EE. And the other option is you have to log in with your email or username after you have to get your account number. So here is second method, you have to using a bill. You can find the account number at the top of your bill. Now we have to get your account pin. The default SIM pin is 4 digit is a 1111. If you want to change it, you have to go into this website device guide and select your device. Then you have to select a basic function under security code, select turning use of pin on or off. Then follow the instruction on the device guide to change the pin. So these are the link of your changing your pin. You have to do their simple step we have to provide before this in the PPT. And now how to transfer a pin. So for transfer a pin, you need to contact their customer support team, then send a text with your word PAC to 65075 from the number you wish to keep. Then you will receive a pack porting authorization code in a text message from current provider. So these are some simple steps you have to take in when you try to your finding an account number and account pin and also transfer pin. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for you issue and we will catch you in our next video.